Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have a 2023 Honda Ruckus scooter. This scooter only has 425 miles and is offered for $29.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. In addition to all the stock features, this scooter has about $500 of installed accessories. It has the nice GV Honda top case, also a storage bag under the seat, has the nice hand guards so when you're riding during the winter, keep your hands warm, a nice windscreen on it, a front tank bag. This is just an amazing scooter. It'll get probably 100 to 130 miles per gallon. It's just an amazing in-town scooter. Also has some nice knobbies on it, so if you want to take it on a hard pack fire trail, you can definitely do that. We can provide finance as well as an extended warranty on the scooter, and the scooter has been gone through by our service department. We did a safety check on it and she's all dialed in, ready to go. Please check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned vehicles just like this one.